Hi there, students. Semper Fidelis. Okay, this is a piece of Latin. It means always faithful. Yeah, so somebody who is always going to be faithful. They're not going to ever let you down. Somebody who is faithful, is loyal, yeah, is reliable and worthy of trust. Somebody that you can always trust. And then we have this phrase Semper Fidelis, always faithful. Now this is the motto of the American Marine Corps. The US Marine Corps. Very often they shorten it to Semper Fi, Semper Fidelis. It's their motto. However, this phrase Semper Fidelis has been around for a very long time. Originally, the phrase Semper Fidelis was used by the senators in ancient Rome when they gave a speech to the Senate. Yeah, it's talking to the Houses of Parliament. And when they finished their speech or finished what they were saying, they would say, Semper Fidelis. I am always faithful to the Roman state. This motto has been used many other times. For example, in the 14th century, the town of Abbeville in northern France, I know Abbeville quite well, started to use the motto Semper Fidelis, and this motto has been used for various families throughout history as well. I don't know, for example, the Lynch family in Ireland, or the Earls of Onslow, or the Stuart family, James II of Scotland. It's also, as I said, been used for many cities like Abbeville in France, or Lviv in Poland, or Exeter as well, or Saint-Malo in France. However, nowadays you're going to find it mostly with military organizations, the most famous of which the United States Marine Corps, that have used this since 1883. Okay, so they Semper Fidelis, they are always faithful to the United States. However, this is also used for various other military groups. For example, the Ukrainian Marine Corps, or the Hungarian Government Guard as well. It's also been used for many different schools. For example, Gordon School in Surrey uses it. Okay, so Semper Fidelis, always faithful. We promise to be faithful to the idea of the organisation that we belong to. Okay, so Semper, always, and Fidelis, faithful. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Semper Fidelis. I get the feeling that I've got many subscribers in my channel who I think I could definitely describe as Semper Fidelis. There are people here who have been watching my videos for years and years and years. Well, that's because I've been going for such a long time. Anyway, Semper Fidelis, always faithful, always loyal, always someone that you can trust. Loyal and adhering firmly to something, reliable and worthy of trust. So enough. Bye for now. Semper Fidelis.